Today, I'm going to be talking about who can apply for Airwallex. Airwallex is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including international payments, currency exchange, and business banking. And if you're wondering who can apply for Airwallex, the answer is pretty much anyone. Airwallex is open to individuals and businesses of all sizes. However, there are a few things you'll need to provide in order to apply. Proof of identity. This can be a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Proof of address. This can be a utility bill, bank statement, or government-issued document. Bank details. You'll need to provide your bank account number and sort code. Business information. If you're applying as a business, you'll need to provide information about your company, such as its name, address, and registration number. Once you've submitted your application, Airwallex will review it and get back to you within a few days. If your application is approved, you'll be able to create an account and start using Airwallex's services. Benefits of using Airwallex. There are a number of benefits to using Airwallex, including low fees. Airwallex offers some of the lowest fees on the market for international payments and currency exchange. Fast transfers. Airwallex transfers are typically processed within a few hours. 24/7 support. Airwallex offers 24/7 customer support. Wide range of services. Airwallex offers a wide range of financial services, including international payments, currency exchange, business banking, and more. Who can benefit from using Airwallex? Airwallex can benefit anyone who needs to send or receive money internationally. This includes businesses that trade with international partners. Freelancers who work with clients from all over the world. Students who are studying abroad. Tourists who need to exchange currency. Expats who need to send money back home. Airwallex is a great option for anyone who needs to send or receive money internationally. It's easy to apply, offers low fees, and provides fast transfers. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to send money internationally, I highly recommend Airwallex. And that's it for today. With that said, thank you for watching.